Hey everyone, here is a very quick walk around video of the 68 Manx. We're just finishing restoration on. Customer is literally en route, probably minutes away from coming here to pick it up, and just now having a minute here to do a quick walk around of this baby. So this is an original 68 Manx body. The current family that has it had it for probably over 50 years. The current owner, who's the son of the guy who bought it, he said he hasn't driven it in about 30 years. His dad, who has passed away, but he probably drove it last like 26 years ago. So the car's been sitting for a long time. It was in very rough shape, to say the least. So we did a full restoration on it. We sent the body down to Miguel in San Diego, who works with Manx. You can ask those guys if you need his information. And he went and did the body work. The body was actually in really nice shape, but you know, it had holes in it and some cracks and stuff like that. He went and repaired all the fiberglass and then shot this amazing metal flake on it to kind of mimic the original gel coat. So this car originally was gel coat metallic red. And yeah, we were able to save his original lights, rechrome them. They were actually in really good shape other than having been painted yellow or something. We got some staggered sprint stars from our friends at Air Cooled Vintage Works. Jason over there, perfect on here. Customer picked out some General Grabber tires for it. We did all custom interior for it, obviously in white or off-white. These are the original seats that were in the car, it's fiberglass buckets, but of course we reupholstered them and then created a back seat for it. Engine is the original engine to this buggy, which is a 40 horse that was punched out to 1385, so we kept that displacement and rebuilt it all brand new. New tri-mill header. Thing runs great. It's amazing that it's only a 1385 40 horse, because you'd never know it driving it. You know, these cars don't weigh much, so it doesn't take much to get them going. There's the air cleaner that's been on the car since day one, which we also went and fully restored. And Impala taillights, and then other taillights that we're not sure, probably off a trailer or something back in the day. And opted to go with the stainless steel roll bar hoop and a matching stainless steel front bumper, which we just installed the other day, just, you know, for the potential parking lot incident, somebody backing up into it. Good idea to have some protection there. The customer has the original Manx badge, and he also bought a reproduction one, which I think is what he's going to run. Asked him to bring it. He hasn't brought it yet, so I guess he'll put it on when he gets the car home this morning. But there you go, guys. That's it. So full restoration, brand new chassis built from our friends at Washburn Metal, all powder coated and everything. Went through all the suspension, restored everything. Everything's painted and powder coated. Freshly rebuilt transmission too, in addition to the motor. So there you go. If anyone's got a Manx that needs some love, we can help you out with that. So there you go. Hope you enjoyed this, and there's plenty of content on our regular daily videos showing this buggy if you're interested in more. So thanks for watching. Bye.